Good evening, everyone. My name is Jnanesh Kumar BS. Here, I am in front of you to introduce one of my friends, Rahul Swami, who is going to give seminar on topic corrosion. He is very ambitious to join one of the engineering college in India. Over to him. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Rahul Swami. I am here to give a seminar on corrosion. I think you all know about corrosion before you studied in 10th classes. Today, I give brief information about corrosion. Let us start. Corrosion. Before teaching corrosion, do you know what is redox reaction? Let us take an example. M solid gives Mn plus Ne minus. This is oxidation or reduction. How you came to know that it is an oxidation reaction? Then can you define what is an oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction is a loss of electrons or or removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen or okay, it's a property, not an definition of oxidation. Can you more precisely define oxidation? Simple. What is hydrogen? It's an electropositive element or electronegative element. Then you can tell removal of electropositive element. Then one more example. Ag plus one electron gives Ag solid. This is reduction. Then what is the definition of reduction? Gain of okay or addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen or addition or removal. Addition of sure. Removal of electronegative atom or element. What is the reactivity series of elements? Potassium, sodium. Next, 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 next. Are you sure? Then, then, then. Good. This is a reactivity series. How you came to know that after hydrogen copper will come? Any basic ideas that how copper came after hydrogen? Copper cannot. How you came to know that it is less reactive than hydrogen? Yes, that's correct. Because copper cannot displace hydrogen from any of the acids. This can be further discussed in the second PUC, that is by introducing SEP. SEP means standard electrode potential. By using these all topics, we can tell what is corrosion. Can you now define what is corrosion? In corrosion, what does phenomena occurs? Okay. Which element gets oxidized? Okay. Let us discuss corrosion. Can I give the examples for corrosion? Corrosion is a phenomena where an element loses its electrons. Means which process? Electrons, and forms oxides or carbonates by reacting with oxides and carbonates are formed with reacting with this is the oxidation process. In oxidation process, what will be added? Hydrogen or oxygen? Then reacting with oxygen. Now can you give the examples for corrosion? Okay. Greenish of copper vessels. Okay. Next, rusting of iron. Okay. What process that is called? Tarnishing of silver. Okay, etc. Do you know what is the process done in tarnishing of silver? Silver re- silver reacts with, sure, silver reacts with sulfur or hydrogen sulfide. Why hydrogen sulfide? Okay. Ag solid reacts with H2S, gives in the presence of excess oxygen, it gives Ag2S plus H2O. Do you know balancing the equations? Then balance 2Ag, then okay. Then here Ag H2S forms black layer on silver metal. You all seen that? Let us assume this is a silver chain. Here it is Ag, Ag, Ag. In atmosphere H2S is there. Here all O2 excess O2 is present. Then this forms a layer on a Ag metal. This is called Ag2S. This is black in color. By this color gets dull. How we can prevent it? How we can prevent this phenomena?